Elon Musk reclaims title of world's richest person, says Bloomberg Billionaires Index. Wealth surges 40.3% this year, reaching $192 billion, fueled by Tesla's stock gains. Musk lost first place to LVMH CEO Bernard Arnault in December due to Tesla's share drop after Twitter acquisition. Majority of Musk's wealth tied to Tesla stock. He also heads SpaceX and owns Twitter. Musk concludes high-profile visit to China amid U.S.-China tensions, signaling China's importance to Tesla. China's foreign minister assures Musk of friendly business environment and openness to foreign companies. Tesla's shares close 1.38% higher at $203.93, previously hit two-year low at $167.87. Bernard Arnault ranks as second richest person with $187 billion, followed by Jeff Bezos. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support small creators.